Alright, my name is olawaleperfect. So I'm trying to explain to you how you can set up your own studio, how you can set up for a live broadcast. So the first thing you need to do is you need to make sure you have all the devices that you need. The first thing you need is a laptop, a very good laptop, recommended not less than 4 GB RAM, connected to the internet. Something that you can be very sure is going to give you the best that you need. And then you need a sound card, and then maybe a mixer, microphone, and others. Now, your sound card, the interesting thing about the sound card is that the sound card can get connected to the laptop directly through a USB. So just locate one of the USB on your laptop and then plug it in, and then the power on your sound card will definitely come up. So meaning that the sound card is taking power from the laptop. So that means that it's advisable that you charge your laptop when you are plugged in into the sound card, because it's taking its power, so the power of the laptop will drain faster. And then by the time you've done that, you can easily take your microphone. Your microphone has two ends. We have it's called cannon to cannon. So the second end of the cannon, you plug it into the sound card, and then I can speak into my microphone, and the sound I'm making passes through the sound card and enters into the laptop, and then the sound is going to be very, very clean. And so from the laptop I transmit it on air, and then that's what people are able to hear. Alternatively, if I am not making use of microphone, I can also use a jack to jack cable, something of this nature, and then I can be getting music directly from an output source. So I plug it into the sound card. So now imagine a situation whereby I want to get sound from, maybe let's say I go to a particular church, and then I want to get sound from their own mixer. All I just need is this jack to jack cable. So from their own mixer, I take out sound and then I put it into my own sound card, and everything goes in that way. So that's the way you do it. And then on the other hand, I could decide that, oh, I'm not using a sound card and I am making use of a mixer, which is what most people make use of. A mixer simply means that what is taking in several sounds and it's taking out one sound. So in this mixer, I have my microphone plugged to it. I can have other things plugged to different channels. So I can have as many microphones as possible, and then I can also have music playing from one end to another. So from the output of the mixer, in this case, I've adapted the mixer to have this. So this is the output of the mixer. I can take it directly. In some cases, on your laptop, you will have a particular port for sound. So that is the earpiece. So you have two sounds. You have the one for microphone and you have the one for earphone. Now, if your laptop is the one that has the place for microphone, you plug in your sound coming from the mixer. You plug it into where you have microphone. But in some cases, if you don't have the one for microphone, what you can do is that you can use a small sound card, the one that is a USB port. The USB port will split the sound between microphone and earphone. So where you now have microphone, that's where you are plugging it into. So that way you are able to take care of how you can plug it from the mixer. And then in some cases you have some mixer that are USB mixer. This one is not a USB mixer. And by the time USB, I'm not talking about the fact that you can play USB, no. But I'm talking about the fact that your output can go out to a USB. So that's usually the best type of mixer. So you use the USB mixer, you just plug it. It works just like a sound card, and then the end of the mixer is something of this nature. With this USB, you plug it to your laptop, and then you are good to go. So the moment you have that, you are good to go. Any other thing, you can plug it into your mixer, microphone, as many microphones, depending on the type of mixer you are using. And then you can also plug maybe a keyboard. You can plug a guitar and any other thing that you want. But the key thing that we want is that I want a situation whereby the sound coming from my input, which is the microphone, it passes through a channel and it goes into my laptop, and from my laptop I send it on air. So if you have any question, feel free to ask me. Thank you very much. Hi, my name is olawaleperfect. I'm the CEO of Radio, and Good Radio is an online gospel radio station. One of the things that we do is that we set up online radio for different organizations, and so far we set up online radio for not less than 20 clients. If you want to set up an online radio, you can contact us via the number showing on your screen. Thank you.